looking back, I can say that the decision to come and join the social psychology program at Arizona State University was the best single decision of my academic life. Some of the strengths that I've seen in the time that I've been here involve the fact that we are truly a programmatic program. We have a sense of community where everyone gets involved with one another's ideas and thinking and work. Students don't work with just a single mentor, but with multiple faculty members, and publish with multiple faculty members. In fact, there's even a formal secondary mentor that each gets. We train students in research methods and cutting-edge quantitative approaches and skills. We're known for research approaches in naturally occurring settings and study research outcomes that will lend themselves to the betterment of the society. We have these evening-long, bi-weekly research sessions where students present their ideas to be defended to a group of sympathetic and supportive others of the entire program. Our students become winners of national awards and faculty members at first-rate research universities. That also includes students whose research interests don't necessarily involve university settings. For example, Google, American Express, Facebook. We even have in the program a formal teaching element. We really do, as a community, work to improve the value of a student.